Now, if you live in a home long enough, sooner or later you're going to have some holes in the wall to patch.
Now, there are several techniques used for patching holes in walls, and there are even some ready-made kits that are available that you can just stick right over the hole. But here's a technique that I've used several times that works really well. What you start with is a piece of hardware cloth cut slightly larger than the hole. This one's about 2 inches larger all around. Then you take a thin piece of wire and thread it through the center of the patch, and it forms a little handle. Start by running your fingers around the inside of the hole to clear off any broken pieces of drywall so that there's a nice flat surface behind the wall. Then fold the hardware cloth and feed it into the hole. Keep a firm grip on the wire so you don't lose it, and then tug on the wire so that the drywall cloth is flattened up against the back of the wall. In order to hold the hardware cloth there, all you need is to thread a pencil through the wire and twist it around.
Oh, I know what's next, Joe. Here's
Joint
your
compound.
joint compound.
Thank you.
There you go.
Then just take a 6-inch knife and some joint compound and fill the hole all around the pencil. Now you want to use enough pressure to actually force the joint compound through the holes in the hardware cloth so that it forms a nice, strong, tight fit.
After you apply the first coat, allow it to dry at least overnight, and then come back, take your pencil out, clip your wire, and then put either the second or the third coat on in order to really smooth the wall out. Then touch-up painting, and you're good as new.